feel a heart attack coming on, this will save your life. You're going to every single second breathe very hard in, cough as hard as you can.
Have you heard that coughing forcefully during a heart attack can save your life? This is what's called cough CPR, and it's not as effective as it sounds. For most heart attacks, coughing won't make a difference. In rare cases of certain arrhythmias, forceful cough might temporarily help blood flow, but this is only relevant in specific monitored medical settings, not in real-life emergencies. The best response is to call 911 immediately, chew aspirin, and lie down. If someone's heart stops beating, hands-only CPR is the proven way to keep blood circulating until help arrives. For added peace of mind, consider learning CPR and encouraging your loved ones to do the same. Let me know if this was helpful, and follow to improve your health IQ.